Okay, so again, we've done our search. We have done an advanced search. We have selected material or articles as our material type, and it's filtered or it's returned about 5,000 results, as you can see here. I have a couple of articles here that have these red arrows next to them. So there's one there, there's a few more down below. And what's cool with these options is that you can do more searching with these arrows that will help you find articles similar or related to these ones. So if you found this article, Deadly Mosquito or Living Freshwater, extremely useful, what you can do is you can filter um, sources that used this article in theirs. Or you can find the sources that this article utilized. So I'm going to go ahead and click that one. So this article was written in 2018, and the results will be most likely something that came before this because this article used those resources. So I go ahead and click that. And it kind of has this cool thing there so you don't get too far down the rabbit hole of items. And what it did is it's now listing sources cited in the article that I just clicked. So it has two results. And again, you can continue going further in deeper. You can go back out and we can see the articles that came after this one. And there's just one. But again, it's really useful tool when you find something that's closely related to your research. Utilizing those tools to find other sources like the one you enjoyed and was found useful will really help. So again, you can just click on these arrows and lots more stuff comes up. We can continue going down. And you're going to continue finding more resources through that tool.